Good morning, trading world. It is November 21st, 2022, and this is my pre-market outlook and technical analysis for day trading the markets. We have a holiday shortened trading week ahead of us. It is Thanksgiving week. Kids are out of school for the whole week. Every time I look up, the kids are out of school for something. When did this happen? And we're wondering why we're so behind in the world. But that's another topic for another rant somewhere else. This holiday short week, I look for kind of a blah trading week. I don't really want to make a significant move or position this week unless we get over 403, 407 to short or below 390 to 387 for short-term long. I think the latter is probably closer to happening, or a bigger probability of happening. Otherwise, I'm just trading futures and waiting for the holiday to commence. Try not to get caught up in the brain-dead algo float that could take place as volumes start to dwindle before the holiday. Let's get into the key levels for the day. All right, and here we are with the key levels of the day. Starting on the resistance side, we have our Jack resistance at 394 to the 395 area. Queen resistance 396 to the 397 area. And then King resistance 398 to the 402 area. On the support side, we have our Jack support at 393 to the 392 area. We have our Queen support at 391 to the 390 area. And then King support 389 to the 388 area. The main thesis for today is bullish, closing above the 396.03 with a projected target high of between 396 and 402. Our alternate thesis is bearish, closing below the 396.03 with a projected target low of between 395 and 387. The current major channel we're in is 379 all the way up to 397. The major channel above is 397 up to 416. We do have dissonance between the technical side, which is bearish, and the quant side, which is bullish. We seem primed for a gap down open. The weekly bias is bullish, closing above the 396.03 with a retracement area of 396 to 397. That brings us into the scenarios for today. All right, here we are with scenario number one. I have it as our trend day down day type structure. Today is such a blah day that it's going to be hard to kind of distinguish or pull probabilities out at all for the day type, because we're very close to just being pretty much range bound for the day until the algos are able to break us out and take over when the volume kind of dwindles. But for now, this is our trend day down, which start with a rally back toward the previous close represented by the blue line. We find resistance on or before that previous close, then begin the downtrend for the day. We usually find our midday chop around the possible queen or king support levels. And not always, but a lot of times we do start the second part of the day with a head fake, looking to continue the primary trend of the morning, and then at some point we get a rally headed into the close. So that's our trend day down day type structure. All right, our second scenario is going to be our rounded reversal day type structure. We could get a continued push higher toward the Jack or Queen resistance area for our midday chop around either the Queen or King resistance before going back down with the same amount of energy or force we went up with the first part of the day. This is our rounded reversal day type structure. All right, and our last scenario is going to be our range day structure. We can have an initial pop and basically chop sideways to find resistance and then consolidate before revisiting overnight lows and then starting this process of grinding up all over again. So this is our range day structure. These are the scenarios that I will be pretty much preparing for. As I stated earlier, I'm not looking to do any significant moves, probably more than anything today. I'm going to be looking to, reach my daily goal trading futures and just kind of get off and in front of the computer as fast as I can today. Because I just see like a bunch of nothing happening until the algos kind of take control and hijack the market. So, as always, your most important job as a trader is to protect the capital that you already have. We do this by knowing and understanding the risk that we have in each position we take. And then we manage that risk in accordance to our account size. I hope everyone has a great day. It may be a boring trading day, may not be. But as always, wishing you a positive trading day. Have a great one.